Hello everyone, this is YANMAR from NEWINDU. Today I will take you to the Sanhe Warehouse to review the SHANTUI double drum road roller. Now let's see more details. Behind me is today's protagonist, SHANTUI SRD04. It has an operating weight of 4 tons, making it a middle-sized roller that is easy to transport and maneuver on job sites. Now let's see its core part, the engine, which uses the famous Japanese YANMAR engine. Its rated power is 36 kW, which is a powerful and fuel-efficient engine that ensures optimal performance even in the most demanding conditions. That's all of today. If you want to know more about this machine or some other machine, such as forklift, truck, crane, and so on, feel free to contact with me. See you next time.